Hey guys, and welcome back. This is Safe, and today I'm gonna show you the main features of Airtable for project management. So let's get into it. After signing in, you will be redirected here. So in order to create your first template, you can just go from scratch, or you can upload it from your own device, or you can start with a template. And this is what we will do. So here I will choose the project tracker because I want to manage my own projects using Airtable. And this is how your template will look like. So you can name it from here, or you can just exit the naming, and this is how it will look like. So here we have different tasks or different projects. The whole block is called a project, and each project has a set of tasks. And on the column side, you can see that each column has a specific functionality. So for example, the first column is the task itself, second column is the status, and it's a drop down menu from which you can choose whether your own task is in progress, kickoff, complete, planning, or delayed. Next is the subtask, and you can identify which ones are accomplished by this check box. So if this one is not accomplished, you can just uncheck it, or if it's accomplished, you can check it. Next is the assign to specific employee or a specific contact. Next is the project lead. Next is the kickoff and due date, which identify the timing that the project needs to be accomplished. And the date to complete is a formula, which is the due date minus the kickoff date. Finally, there are the related documents which are related to this specific task, and this is the project which this task is associated with. So this is how your template is distributed and is classified. Next, here you can see different extensions, and in extensions you can see that there is a chart which identifies on the x-axis the assigned person, and on the y-axis the number of records of tasks for each specific person. So if you want to edit this chart, you can go to the settings here, from which you can choose the table from which it takes its own data, and the view as well. You can choose the type of chart, whether it's bar, line, or by, and so on and so forth. You can also choose the data which are plotted on the x-axis and the data which are plotted on the y-axis as well. Next, here you can see different views from which you can navigate, and we will cover this in a separate video. And finally, here on the top you have automations, from which you can set a specific sequence of steps that will be accomplished once a specific trigger happens. Also, Airtable will suggest multiple triggers for you so as to help you to identify the suitable trigger that you want to choose. Back to data, you can edit on your own data by just double clicking on your own projects and rewrite them the way you want. You can check and uncheck them if they are accomplished or not. You can also add a record from the bottom left, from add record here. You can also manipulate and add more options to your own projects by right clicking on any of these tasks and choose from these options. And on the top also you can choose to hide your own record, or to filter them, or to sort them, and more. So this is pretty much it, and this is how easy you can use Airtable to manage your own projects. So that's it for this video, guys. If you found this content helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in future tutorials. Until then, take care and have a wonderful day.